Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing this Pride-inspired rainbow look, so let's go ahead and get to it. Today I'm going to be using the James Charles Morphe palette. Looks like this. And we're just going to be doing the whole rainbow. Alrighty, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, just kind of flat, but kind of skinny on one side. And I'm going to go into this You're Kidding. And I'm going to put this on my inner corner. And when I do my inner corner, it's going to be the top and the bottom. We're going to do that all the way across.
I did prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer.
Next, I'm going to be going into what is this? Rusted, which is this orange color. And I'm going to take it just a little bit in. Like that. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. Alright. And I'm gonna kind of already blend this orange a little bit. And all I'm doing is bringing it slightly back into the orange. I'm not really dusting it out or blending it outwards. I'm blending it into the orange. So that when we add the yellow, it'll blend better. And it won't just be like trying to be like such a hard line between the orange and the yellow. Right. And then next we're gonna go into the yellow. And I'm actually gonna use like a more like packing brush. It's just kind of a little more skinny. And it's yellow, so I really want it to stay yellow. And then I'm gonna slightly overlap this onto the orange. And then we'll do under the eye. I'm not really moving it anywhere, I'm just like tapping it right into place. And the yellow is called Bee. Like a little bumblebee. I think I took this yellow a little too far out, but that's okay. We'll take this one a little further out as well. That way they'll be even. And then we'll go ahead and pack in this yellow a little bit more. And then we're gonna go in and like heavily blend, we'll blend once all the colors are down. Next we're gonna be moving on to the green, which is called Social Blade. And I'm gonna be taking the same little e.l.f. Eyeshadow brush that I was using before. And I'm gonna be going into Social Blade here. And we're gonna pack this slightly overlapping the yellow. I'm gonna pack it all the way down. And then we'll do the same on the bottom. Pack that into place, and then other side. And then we'll pack the top. And I'm just packing this green in really good. And then next we're gonna move on to the blue, which is called Playground. And I'm gonna use the same brush. And then we're gonna add the blue. And I'm gonna kind of close my eye and do this so we can see where it hits the bottom. Line that blue up. And then we're gonna make it slightly overlap the green now. Same thing to the other side. Might have packed too much green on, but that's okay. Alrighty, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to the purple, which is called Single. And the purple is really just going on the outside. And it's gonna slightly overlap the blue, of course. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And I'm just making sure it looks even across the board, and I think it does. Alrighty, next we're gonna blend. So I'm going to be taking a little pencil brush. This is the Fenty Beauty Precision brush. This is number 220. Alright, and then we're gonna slightly overlap in between all of these, and we're just gonna like just lightly go back and forth without going too much. And we're gonna start with the yellow and the orange, or the yellow and the green actually. And we're just gonna lightly blend these back and forth. Just like that. And I'm gonna blend it more into this green, because it looks like we'll need to be applying more yellow again to get it to stay. And then do the same thing over here. And I'm really just going into the green. And then I'm gonna do the yellow into orange. And then I'm gonna do the red to orange. And then I'm going to do the green to blue. And then I'll do the blue to purple. And then now I'm going to go through and blend this top up through my brow bone. And I'm just going to do the red to the orange.
What I'm also doing here is packing in more pigment and blending at the same time.
And I'm just blending this yellow into the orange now. So that has more of a seamless line. You can see the red, the orange a little better as well. Whoops. But easy cleanup. And then I added a little bit more of that rusted just back in there to help where I accidentally put a little bit too much of that yellow. And now we're gonna go and blend in the green to yellow. And I'm just gonna take this brush first and go together with the yellow and the green, since there's still some yellow left on this. Alright, and then I hadn't really been working on the bottom, to be honest, so let's go ahead and pack this yellow. Pack the yellow in a little bit this way. It's a blend, and then we'll do the same thing with the green. It'll be the yellow to the green. And that looks pretty good. And then we'll just pack a little bit of yellow in there just to brighten it back up. And then just a little left and right. Left and right. All right, so now onto the green. I'm gonna clean off this brush really quick. And then we'll dive into this green. Alright, and I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm just gonna take kind of like the corner of it and just kind of go left and right over that yellow and green line, and then just blend it out through the top. And then we'll go ahead and touch up the blue now. And then we'll take the corner and blend the two together. And same thing over here. Alrighty, and then we'll do the purple. So this completes my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. So this completes today's look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really love this look so much. It's really nice and fun. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.